in this room, else I'm going to turn up the AC and fans on full power. Shall we try it again? Good evening, ladies and gentlemen.
Good evening.
Thank you for elevating the mood in the room. Welcome to meeting number 1010 of the Daffodils Toastmasters Club. My name is Aditya and I am your Sergeant at Arms for today. Rules are an essential part in our life as they establish order. Similarly, for every Toastmasters meeting to be productive, there are a few set ground rules. Rule number 1. Please put your phones on silent or turn them off. Our meetings are no less than a meditation session. So I'm going to give you 5 seconds and you can please do the needful. Okay. Rule number 2. Please refrain from walking in and out of the room. You can walk when there's an applause. You're only allowed to suddenly get up and walk out if maybe you won the lottery, right? Rule number 3, we refrain from talking about sex, politics and religion. There are enough forums out there to discuss these topics. Rule number 4, please do not park your vehicle in front of the gate or inside the building premises. If you have unknowingly done so, I would urge you to move it during the break. Rule number 5, kindly refrain from using the elevator and use the stairs. A little exercise never hurts. I did see a few people use the lift, but you get a hall pass this time. Yeah. Having said that, let me ask all of you this question. The pyramids of Giza, the Taj Mahal, the Eiffel Tower, were these built by just one person?
No.
Of course not. There were several hundreds and several thousands of people involved, right? But do you think that just by having a lot many people, these monuments would have had that finish and that structure? No. There was a lot of collaboration involved. Let's leave out the example of building monuments. Let's take something we all are familiar with. We all have seen our parents collaborating with each other, ensuring the smooth running of a household growing up, right? Maybe many of us are parents today and are doing the same for our family members. Similarly, in the conduction of a Toastmasters meeting, there's also a lot of collaboration involved. Now the guests and some of the newest members or the non-ExCom members must be thinking, really? Is there any collaboration involved? Believe me, it takes tons of collaboration in the planning and execution of a Toastmasters meeting. I can see our current VP nodding her head like a bobblehead. For those who are not aware, ExCom is short for Executive Committee. The Executive Committee is the team responsible for the functioning and smooth running of the weekly meetings. This team is held, or rather is led by a president. So what does it take to be a president at a Toastmasters club? Let's talk about our current president. He's a Triple Crown Award winner. He's the past vice president of our